What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. I wanted to do this quick video for you guys and unbox the Canon EOS R6. Yeah, let's get into it. So I ordered it on Amazon and it's just a trial. It's just for me to try it out and then send it back, right? If I like it. If I don't like it, I'm sending it back. Because I originally have the Canon M50, which is a great camera. Excuse me, I'm out of breath. But I wanted to try this to see how I like it, see if I should get rid of the Canon M50 and keep the Canon R6. So yeah, let's go ahead and open it as I said. So again, with most Canon devices, you get the warranty. You know, all you do is fill it out, send it back, or do it online. And then you also get paper on how to download the app. Yeah, you go to image.canon, right? I'm not sure, I have to look into it, but I'm assuming it's for an app. But I see Google Photos, Google Drive, so I'm assuming these are ways to share your photos. Again, it always comes with the handbook. Always want to read through the handbook, but if you're anything like me, I have trouble, I always go on YouTube. It comes with the battery charger, comes with the battery, and it comes with the strap to put around the camera, which a lot of people don't do. Yeah, I wonder why your camera's always getting broke. Well, you're always dropping your camera is what I meant to really say. If you're wondering why I'm whispering, I want to wake my husband up. He's taking a nap and he really needs his nap. And the moment we've been waiting for, the camera. So I read a lot of great things about this camera. And if you guys know me, I love to do photography. I started doing photography back in 2014, 2015, and then I stopped, got into it, and then I stopped. But I really want to get back into it. I feel like photography has become of a trend these days. Like, I got into photography because when I was younger, like I was that girl that would buy disposable cameras and take pictures. Like, I love taking pictures. That's how I got into modeling. And I'll get into the backstory as to why I started doing photography, but I got out of it because it became too time consuming. The editing, it got expensive. You gotta get lights, you gotta get SD cards, you gotta get lens, and you constantly have to keep upgrading your equipment, and I didn't have that type of money. So I want to see if this is the type of camera that'll last me a very long time, especially if I'm vlogging, doing videos, photos, and stuff like that. But here's the camera body. I only got the camera body because I have Canon lenses. I have one lens that I really want to use that I already use with my Canon M50, but I don't even know if this will fit. I'm assuming it will because it's a full frame camera. So I'll go get it upstairs and show you guys. But this is the camera. You got the lens cover. That's how it looks. Comes with the hot shoe. Powered it on this side, if you guys can see. And then if you guys can see, it comes with the record button, the manual FN thing here. I don't know the terminology to some of these things. Again, I'm a self-taught photographer, so I watched a lot of YouTube videos, a lot of Facebook videos, because back then they didn't have TikTok. So I was trying to learn these things on my own, especially Pinterest, trying to learn shutter speed, f-stop, trying to learn all those things just by looking. And I feel like from the time I did start until now, I should have been one of the biggest down here, but I stopped like an idiot. It does have a pull-out screen. Open it. Here we go. The screen's nice. You can flip it so you can see yourself. Put that back. And on the side, which is great, you have the microphone, headphone jack, the HDMI, remote, and a USB-C port. So you have all of these great things. And then another great thing, which I've never had in any of my cameras, is this is where you would put your SD card. Just need to open it. Oh, you put pull it down and then it opens and you can put double SD cards, so you'll never run out of memory. If one SD card gets full, it'll automatically start reading the second. Awesome. And then you just push it back in, and this is the battery port. Open it. This is where the battery goes. So let's go ahead and put the battery in. Hopefully it's charged. I wonder if the M50 batteries fit this camera. It'll make life so much easier if it do. Clicks in, and let's see. Flip this on. You just turn it on from here, and it turn on. I'm assuming it's dead because it did not turn on, so I'm gonna go ahead and charge it. I'm gonna see if, I doubt it. This is a full frame camera, and I highly doubt that the M50 camera fits, but I'll try it, but I doubt it. It looks like the same exact camera battery thing that M50 has. So you put it in, slide it, clicks in, and then it has this port, and then you just start charging it. While that charged, I'm gonna go ahead and get the lens and see if it fits. All right, so this is the Sigma 18 to 35 millimeter f1.8 lens, and I have the Viltrox mount adapter to the bottom of it. Let me take that off, which I need to clean. So yeah, I have the mount adapter. This fits into this is my Canon M50 lens. This fits into here, and once I mount this onto it, that's how I'm able to fit the Sigma lens. They do say not to clean that, but I need to clean that area off. But yeah, this is the Sigma lens. It's really heavy duty, but this is what I take most of my pictures with. This lens is phenomenal. So moment of truth, let's see if this lens fits the Canon R6. So you always want to line up. See where the red is on here? See where the red is on there? You line those two up. Does it line up like that? Or is it this way? I don't believe it fits. Yep, because it's supposed to line up. And if it doesn't fit, it does not fit the lens, y'all. Now let's see. Yeah, they don't fit. Unfortunately, this lens does not fit the R6. That's so disappointing. I'll be right back. The good thing about this lens is I think it comes with a mount, and I'm just not realizing that, and I feel like I was an idiot and bought the Viltrox, and I think I already have a mount when I bought this lens. So I'm gonna see if I can find that mount and see if that mount is compatible with this lens, with this camera body. But I'm not sure what that is, but yeah, y'all. That was disappointing to know. Because I figured because this is a big lens and I need a mount for this to fit my M50, so I figured like, oh yeah, this will fit. And this is a DC, I don't know, it gets complicated with these different lenses and what is compatible with what. I think most lenses should be able to be compatible with most camera bodies that are, you know, if this is a universal lens like Sigma, it should be able to fit Canon. But yeah, that's quite disappointing. So stay tuned. I'm gonna see what I can find. I'm not sure if I have any other lens that'll be compatible with this camera body. I think I've gotten rid of all of like my major Canon lenses. But if you guys have any recommendations as to what lens I should use with this camera, please let me know down in the comments. But once I do find it, you guys will start seeing different cameras. Like right now, I'm using my G7x, which is a great quality. Like, you guys don't feel like you have to upgrade your camera. Don't go broke trying to have this crazy great quality. Like, I'm still trying to figure out if I want to get back into photography, and I'm trying to see which camera and lens works best for me and like what I want to produce in photography. So that's it for now. I'll jump back on camera if I do find a lens somewhere in my stash that works best for this, so I can show you guys. But I am going to continue monitoring the camera battery. I'll probably end up getting back on here. I'll monitor the camera battery so that way I can turn the camera on for you guys, so you guys can see how it turns on, how it looks, to see if it's, you know, yeah. I'll see you guys later. All right, so we have just enough juice. So what I'm gonna do, I think it's touchscreen. So to change the time zone, can I use this? Okay. Change the time zone to New York. Hit okay. Today is May 27th. And as of right now, it is 7:54. 7:55. Hit okay. Alright, so obviously there's no card and camera. Where's the menu? We'll figure all that out later, but yeah, this is how it's looking. So I found this, but it's actually a Sigma USB dock. I'm not sure what this is, but I thought it would have been a mount, but it's not. But I do have this lens, so we're gonna see if it fits. Moment of truth. Nope. You guys, I do not have a lens for this camera, which is so unfortunate. So I don't know. I was really hoping that this fit, because this is by far one of my most expensive, and I'm not sure what this is for. Yeah, it's like a USB dock. Not sure, but once I do find a mount for this camera, I'll see if I can hook it up. But I can't really give you guys a review on it yet, but you know, hopefully guys, if you guys made it this far, thank you guys for watching this unbox video. But once I get a lens, I'll get back on camera and show you guys the difference between this Canon R6 and then the Canon M50. All right, thank you for watching. Bye.